Hello all, hope you're all doing well. Today let's try to solve a problem from pair of linear equations in two variables. The problem is points A and B are 70 km apart on a highway. A car starts from A and another car starts from B simultaneously. If they travel in the same direction, they meet in 7 hours. But if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. Find the speed of two cars. Here there are two cases. First case, when they travel in the same direction, how they meet. Let's analyze. So car 1 is starting from point A, car 2 is starting from point B. Now in order to cover the meeting point, suppose if we assume the meeting point BC, because they are traveling in the same direction, so car 1 and car 2, if they meet at a point C, this point C is away from that 70 kilometers. So car 1 has to cover this distance of 70 kilometers and then the car 2's distance covered till 7 hours. So car 1's distance will be 70 plus distance covered by car 2 in 7 hours. Whereas in case 2, when they travel towards each other, it is going to be the opposite direction as shown here. So if they meet at the point D, that point D lies within the 70 kilometers distance. So car 1 is moving from A coming to the point D plus car 2 starting from point B and reaching D. The total distance covered will be 70 kilometers in 1 hour. So this, if you have understood, the framing of equations is going to be very easy and we'll see how it is solved. So let us assume the speed of car 1 starting from A, B, x km per hour and the speed of car 2 starting from point B, by km per hour. So let us frame the equation for the first case. When they travel in the same direction, time taken is 7 hours for them to meet. So we are going to use the concept of distance is equal to speed into time. As we know, speed is equal to distance by time. Distance will be equal to speed into time. Distance covered by car 1, as we have already seen, it is going to be the 70 kilometer distance plus the distance covered by car 2 in 7 hours. Since we assume the speed of the car 2 as y and the time taken is 7, so this is going to be, there is a distance travelled by car 2 in 7 hours is 7y plus 70. In the same way, distance covered by car 1 in 7 hours is 7x, speed into time. 7 into x is equal to 70 plus 7y. Simplifying, we get 7x minus 7y minus 70 equal to 0. Dividing both sides by 7, we get x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. Let's mark this as equation 1. In case 2, the time taken for a meeting is 1 hour when they travel towards each other in the opposite direction. So distance covered by both the cars is going to be the distance between A and B itself, which is 70 kilometers. Same concept of distance is equal to speed into time, that is x into 1 hour is the time, plus y into 1 is equal to 70. So x plus y is 70. Simplifying, we get x plus y minus 70 equal to 0. It is easy to use the elimination method here, as y and y has an opposite sign, plus y and minus y in both cases. So it is better to add them. By doing so, we get x minus y minus 10 equal to 0, x plus y minus 70 equal to 0, y and y gets cancelled and we have 2x minus 80 equal to 0, x plus x is 2x, minus 10 minus 70 is minus 80. So 2x is equal to 80 gives x is equal to 40 km per hour. So the speed of car starting from A is 40 km per hour and substituting x in the second equation, we get 40 plus y minus 70 equal to 0. That gives you y minus 30 equal to 0. So y equal to 30 km per hour. So the speed of the car starting from point B is 30 km per hour. Hope this is useful for you. Have a great day. Thank you.